the heart of Sula, an island shaped by ancient forces and enduring spirit, lies a journey that reveals the essence of Norway's western fjords. Today, we're heading to Vardane, a summit that offers not just a view, but a deep connection to this incredible landscape. Our adventure starts at the Mauseid car park, a popular spot for those exploring Sula. From here, a well-maintained gravel road gradually climbs. The first part might seem simple, but it sets the pace for the hike, getting us ready for the climb ahead. Our first stop is Taustua, a modest cabin that's both a historical and modern refuge. On Sunday, it becomes a hub of warm hospitality, offering freshly baked waffles and coffee. These stops are more than just breaks, they're moments to reflect, enjoy the surroundings, and experience the communal spirit of the trails. Continuing our climb, we pass Rollonhytta, another shelter maintained by local trekking associations. Beyond this point, the path changes. The broad gravel road narrows into a traditional mountain trail, with exposed roots, rocks and softer earth. This marks our entry into the more rugged section of the climb towards Vardane. As we gain elevation, the forest thins, revealing glimpses of the world below. Suddenly the summit of Vardane appears. It's a panoramic view. To the north, the coastline of Langevågen stretches towards the fjord, while the cityscape of Ålesund shimmers in the background. Vardane isn't just about the views, it's a site of cultural significance. The summit is adorned with cairns, known locally as varder. These stone stacks, built by generations of locals, represent efforts, markers of passage, and contribution to a collective legacy. It's believed these cairns give the mountain its name, Vardane, the cairns, highlighting the deep human connection to this place. Our exploration continues. From Vardane, we descend slightly before climbing again to Svanshornet, our next viewpoint. Svanshornet offers a different perspective, complementing Vardane's view with unique angles of the fjord landscape. It's another chance to pause, absorb the surroundings, and appreciate the intricate tapestry of islands, fjords, and mountains. From Svanshornet, we begin our final descent. We pass the historical mountain farm of Dupixetra and the cabins of Fiskestrandhyttene. The air is calmer, the sound of the mountain fading as we return to lower elevations. The journey to Vardane på Sula is more than a physical endeavor. It's an immersive experience, offering a deep engagement with Norway's natural beauty, cultural heritage, and the allure of its mountain trails. I hope you liked this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more hiking videos. Until next time, happy trails!